Hi, your name?
Kelly,
So you've been my customer for how long now?
probably about 2 years.
Okay, tell me a little bit. How did you get started with this tea that you're holding in your hand? What's the story behind it?
So I originally came in because my mom was in end-stage renal failure, and
Okay.
I was, grabbing at straws to try to help her repair her kidneys. And I was introduced to this tea along with the super nutrition. Unfortunately, my mom wouldn't take it, and so she's currently on dialysis. However, I recently noticed some numbers in my own blood work that my doctor didn't catch, that my kidney function seemed to be getting low, and I was concerned.
What were the numbers you had told at
So
one point?
when I had gone into the doctor, my GFR was 60. My
Okay.
creatinine was okay, but GFR was 60, which is basically 60% kidney function.
Uh-huh.
I have no health issues, no
Okay.
diabetes. So I took it upon myself, based on the information I got for my mom, to come back in, get myself the tea. I drank the tea for 1 week every night. Doctor repeated my blood work, and my GFR went up to 8
Within a week.
within 1 week of drinking it every night.
What did the doctor say?
He said, you don't have to go see a nephrologist now, you're fine. He had nothing else but that to say, because I don't think he himself would even understand how that happened.
Okay.
And he never even honestly noticed that it was at 60. So he kind of just left it at that. He didn't ask me what I was doing.
Because he was probably too confused
He
to
was very
answer
confused.
anything.
He was very confused.
Okay.
I was thrilled. So
Okay.
I kept drinking my tea. Best Christmas present ever. It's about
And
to
you're
stop.
here, and you're here
And I'm
to buy
here,
more.
And yeah, so.
So would you
we'll see.
recommend
It's
this tea
only
to others?
Absolutely.
Yes.
110%.
Well, I greatly appreciate your feedback.
I appreciate you.
Thank you.